And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Just a few high-thin cirrus clouds right here. These will give us a nice sunset this evening as they move eastward. Then we watch the cold front. It's about right here. This swings through tomorrow evening with a band of a few scattered showers and storms around. Then our attention goes to Idalia, which is right here, very close to being a hurricane right now. This is going to head for Florida, so it will have a landfall near Wednesday. But then I think as we get closer to like September 9th, 10th, we're going to have to shift our focus to the southern Gulf and the Bay of Campeche because we'll likely see some sort of system here move and hit Texas. So this could be a Cat 3, 4 storm as it hits Florida. This other one could eventually be like a Cat 1 or 2. So this is kind of the general trend for the tropics. So September 22nd, Idalia, Cat 3 or better, going to hit Florida early Wednesday. Near September 9th, 10th, we got a Texas storm, maybe a Cat 1 or 2 hurricane. And then between the 12th and the 22nd, things flip. And we just don't see much going on during that time. The conditions will not be favorable for a lot of tropical development. 83 for the high tomorrow after 56 in the morning, a hair breezy in the afternoon, and again, very late afternoon and into the evening, you saw the bolts of lightning there on the icon. A few showers and storms coming in from the northwest as the cold front approaches, but warmer tomorrow at 81 to 84. Not overly humid though, dew points like 60 to about 63 sort of thing. Then it's cooler Wednesday, mid-50s in the a.m., but a high of only 74 in the afternoon, eventually becoming mostly sunny with winds gusting 24 to 29, and they're going to be sustained about 15 throughout the day. Look at those highs. How about that? Low to mid-70s, very comfortable on Wednesday. There are your high clouds around tonight. There's tomorrow. We're fine until we get to late afternoon and evening. This is 3:30. Notice a few showers and storms right along the Kankakee River. Then we get to 5. It's Kentland to about Monon to about Winnemac. Things keep moving southward. So here we are at 6. A little bit of a band of showers and storms approaching from the northwest. Again, these could be running from about Rochester back to Monticello and back to Fowler at that point. Then they keep moving southward. Here we are at 7. Pine Village, Lafayette over to Peru, and a few even behind it. And by 8, they're getting into our southern counties. And by 10:30, this is all out of here. We'll just see a few patches of low clouds come in from the northeast. So there's the front Tuesday evening. Here is Idalia, which makes landfall right here early Wednesday between Cedar Key and just east of Panama City, right in this pocket here, potentially is a Cat 3 or 4. But this is just going to rake the Carolinas because half of the eye is going to be over water still Wednesday evening. You can see that eye kind of riding the coast. So just a lashing here for eastern North Carolina, southeast Virginia. Really nasty here with the wind and the beach erosion. That pulls away. Then we watch us because we're going to be heating up over the weekend and into next week. Big hot upper ridge develops. Maybe a couple isolated storms like late Monday or Monday night, but this could be the bigger chance of storm action towards mid to late next week. And if that wasn't enough, how about a little plume of some smoke coming in by mid to late week that'll make the skies a little hazy. So even though it's going to be beautiful, it'll be a little hazy and the air quality not the best on Thursday and Wednesday. 48 Thursday morning. There's the heat just in time for Labor Day. 91 on Monday, and the heat continues next week.